Thinking about turning your current property into a short-term rental in Destin? Want to get top dollar and book out your entire calendar? In this video, I'm sharing the must-have features, strategies, and insider tips that will help you maximize your rental income and attract those high-paying guests. So whether you're looking to buy your first short-term rental property or upgrading your current rental, these tips will make all the difference in the world. So let's dive in. Destin, Florida is one of the most popular short-term rental markets in the country. With its stunning beaches, continued tourism growth, and high rental demand, it's no surprise that second homeowners and investors just love it here. If you want to stand out and charge a premium for your rental, you're going to need to focus on the right features and strategies. So let's break it down. First things first, the right property can make or break your rental success. Buy it furnished, move-in ready, and stylishly furnished because those homes are going to book faster. Travelers want an Instagram-worthy stay, not a DIY project. Plus, you save money by avoiding the hassle of furnishing it yourself. One-bedroom units outperform. Surprising, right? But in Destin, the smaller units often have higher occupancy rates because they attract couples, solo travelers, and small families looking for a more affordable getaway. And that means fewer vacancies and better ROI. Turnkey rentals sell the best. A well-maintained, fully stocked rental doesn't just attract guests, it attracts great reviews, which leads to even more bookings. And if you decide to sell, those turnkey properties command higher prices because buyers want something that's already making money. So if you're looking to maximize your rental income in Destin, start with the right property. Now I'm going to share with you some must-have features to attract more bookings. Number one, condition matters. Nobody wants to stay in a rundown rental. Keeping your property in tip-top shape means fewer repair headaches, better reviews, and more repeat guests. A well-maintained home is higher earnings. Number two, a pool adds major value. A pool isn't just a luxury, it's a moneymaker. Properties with pools command higher nightly rates and book faster, especially in Destin, where guests want that resort-style experience and, believe it or not, a break from the beach. Number three, beach access is king. If your property is close to the beach, you're already ahead of the game. Walking distance is definitely the best because parking can be a challenge in the summer. Rentals with easy beach access outperform properties that are located more than a half mile from the beach. And guests are willing to pay a premium for that convenience. Number four, the floor matters. If you're buying a condo, the higher the floor with unobstructed ocean views can significantly bring more revenue, and that is gold for the rental world. Number five, elevators versus stairs. Stairs might not seem like a big deal until a guest has to lug up a heavy suitcase, groceries, or small children. Properties with elevators or ground floor easy access get way better reviews and repeat bookings. Number six, parking is a deal breaker. Destin gets busy and guests hate fighting for parking. A designated parking spot can be all the difference between a five-star stay and a frustrated guest who never books again. So if you're serious about maximizing your rental income, these features matter. Now we're going to talk about the importance of impeccable cleanliness. Cleanliness is a non-negotiable. Guests expect hotel-level cleanliness, and anything less, you're risking bad reviews. A clean rental leads to happier guests, better ratings, and more repeat bookings. So do it right the first time with a professional cleaning service. I know you might think you can save money and clean it yourself, but think again. Hiring a professional cleaner ensures every stay meets the same high quality standard, keeping guests impressed and preventing complaints. You also need a quality check before the check-in. Even the pros miss things. Doing a final walkthrough before a guest helps you catch anything out of place, whether it's a slice of pizza under the dresser or a maintenance issue like a broken towel bar. You will know before your guests do. Finally, it's very important to have an ample stock of essentials. Fresh linens, quality toiletries, and well-maintained space make a huge difference. Guests love those small details, and it will surely show in your reviews. Now let's talk about pricing and tech strategies to maximize income. You may have heard of dynamic pricing. And if you're using the same nightly rate all year long, you're leaving money on the table. Dynamic pricing adjusts your rates based on demand, keeping your property competitively priced during slow seasons and maximizing profit when demand is high. Tools like Price Labs and AirDNA make that super easy. Many people forget about the tech stack must-haves. Guests expect a seamless high-tech experience, so here's what your rental needs. TVs in every room. The more entertainment options, the better. A TV in each bedroom, not just the living room, adds serious guest appeal. Number 2, streaming apps and smart features. Skip the cable. Guests love having access to Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus. Bonus points for smart home features like Alexa or Google Home. Number 3, smart locks and seamless check-ins. Ditch the keys. Smart locks have made check-ins easy and stress-free for both you and your guests. No late-night calls, where's the keys? Number 4, games and entertainment. A few board games, PlayStation, or even a simple foosball table can make a huge impact on guest satisfaction, especially for families. Want to make your short-term rental stand out and get more bookings? The secret is themed properties. A unique, well-designed rental doesn't just attract guests, it keeps them coming back. Let's talk about why a strong theme can skyrocket your rental income. Because you're creating a unique experience. A well-executed theme turns a basic rental into a memorable stay. Whether it's a retro nostalgia theme, luxury spa retreat, or adventure base camp, a strong theme makes guests feel like they're getting a one-of-a-kind experience, which means more repeat bookings. The bottom line is you have to stand out from the competition. Let's face it, there are tons of rentals in Destin. But when yours offers a Instagram-worthy design and unique vibe, it sticks in people's minds. That leads to higher reviews and more referrals and premium pricing. Let's talk about why reviews matter and how to get more of them. Let's face it, reviews drive bookings. Guests rely on reviews when choosing a rental. If your property has glowing reviews, it builds trust, increasing bookings, and even allows you to charge higher rates. It's also important to encourage the reviews. Most guests won't leave a review unless you remind them. So try these simple ways to encourage feedback. You could leave a friendly thank you note with a QR code linking to the review page, or you could send a quick follow-up message after the checkout. Or you can offer a small incentive like a discount on their next stay or a free coffee gift card for guests who do leave a review. And lastly, respond to every review. Whether it's positive or negative, always respond. Thank your guests for their feedback, and if it's a complaint, address it professionally. Future guests will see that you care about their experience, making them more likely to book with you. And there you have it. Maximizing your short-term rental income in Destin isn't just about listing a property. It's about choosing the right home, offering the best guest experience, and using smart strategies to stay ahead of the competition. From selecting a high-performing property to keeping it spotless, adding must-have features, and leveraging prices and tech, every detail matters. If you're serious about increasing your bookings and boosting your ROI, implement all of these tips and watch your rental thrive. If you need help finding the perfect investment property, I'd love to help you. Drop a comment below or reach out directly. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more expert tips on short-term rentals in Destin. See you in the next video.